LinkedIn Salary gives you a quick, rough guide to how much people in your profession are getting paid. I'll show you how to access it in this video. Here we go. So you need to go and look at your profile. So I'll select here. I'll say View Profile. Scrolling down, we'll see a section labelled Salary Insights. See how your salary compares to others in the community. I'll click on that. And you can see a rough guide there, $90,000 as an example. And I click Get Started. So you say what your recent position is. I'll just say location UK. Okay, so I'll say Midlands. Notice it's secure, and you can say what your base salary is. So let's just imagine it's that kind of thing. I get paid that per year, and then click Next. Any other bonuses you may have, you can include those. I'll just say I don't have any additional. Social media marketing, business strategy, marketing strategy. So you can include a few of those skills. I've got 10 years experience, and now you can go to the inside. So you can say the base salary range is 16 to 50k. And there's some job adverts there on the right as well. So, and where the best places are, where similar jobs are. So it's a really useful resource, and you can apply that to whatever industry you work in. So that's LinkedIn Salary in 2020. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.